We're giving away the entire Berlin collection. Stick around to the end to learn how to enter.
Meet the Berlin backpack. This is a diaper bag that meets every parent's needs. It's made with tough nylon material that is 100% machine washable. The logo and zipper pulls are made with silicone material for durability. On the exterior, you'll notice the dual top handle for easy grab and go, plus large elasticated water bottle pockets on each side. The expansive front compartment is a prime place for mom or dad's personal items. Wallet, keys, you name it. The front slit is perfectly sized for your phone. The main compartment has a fully zippered opening for easy visibility, making organization quick and easy. The mesh net keeps everything in place even when you have it all the way open. Take advantage of the mesh pockets, insulated bottle pocket, and elastic wipe holder. The Berlin backpack also comes with an included changing mat, plus a zippered pocket on the front wall. There's a back zippered compartment which has a laptop sleeve for devices up to 15 inches. You can store your kids' books, and the elasticated pocket is great for storing chargers. On the back, you'll notice one more large zippered pocket and the adjustable padded backpack straps. It even includes a luggage sleeve to slide it easily onto your carry-on while traveling. If you're out on a walk, you can purchase the Berlin stroller clips, sold separately, and attach them to the D-rings on the bag. With 15 total pockets and 3 compartments, the Berlin backpack is a sleek diaper bag for both mom and dad.
We're giving away one set of the entire Berlin collection. That's 6 pieces worth over $400 in your choice of color. To enter, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on this video what your favorite Berlin feature is. If you're the lucky winner, we'll respond to your comment with instructions on how to claim your prize. This giveaway ends on Sunday, February 20th, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and the winner will be contacted on Tuesday the 22nd. Good luck!